Hey everyone, my name is Mamta Motiani from Designs by Mamta, and today I'm going to show you a stitch pattern. It's a trim kind of a pattern, and this pattern is what I have used for making the band of my Ostara skirt, which is going to be released very soon. Right now, it's in the testing phase. So I'm showing you the how I make the band. Okay, so for doing that, I start with 5 chains. 3, 4 and 5 chains, and then I do a slip stitch in the beginning chain. Okay, so this will make a circle. Now in this circle I will be making some stitches. So for doing that I'll begin with chain 2 and then I'll do 8 double crochet in the chain 5 space after doing the slip stitch. Okay, so this is first one, 1 DC double crochet, 2 DC, 3 DC, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, and this is the last one, 8th double crochet. Okay, so it will look like this. Now what I will do is I'll make chain 2. Okay, and I'll turn this piece. It will be anti-clockwise. Okay, now counting this DC, the first DC, the second DC, I'll skip these two double crochet, and in the third one I'll do a slip stitch. Now I'll repeat the steps which I did earlier, which is chain 2, and then after chain 2 I'll again turn it anti-clockwise, and in this space, this chain 2 the chain 2 space, I will do 8 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so it will look like this. Now I'll repeat this for 10 more times. So I'll have 10 petals like this. This is chain 1 and chain 2. Turn it anti-clockwise, skip this first two double crochet, and in the third one I do a slip stitch. Then again anti-clockwise, I do chain 2. You can do chain 2 first and then turn it, or turn and do chain 2. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now I do again 8 double crochet. So this is first one, second double crochet, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Now you see it's turning like a flower. I don't want that. I want it to be a band. So to do that, what I do is I just pull it like this. So you see it becomes straighter. So every time when you make some fans like this, fans or petals like this, what will happen is it will kind of twist, it will become like a flower. What you'll have to do is you'll have to pull it each time like this, and keep on doing it till the required length is achieved. So right now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I am going to do 7 more like this, and once they are done I'll come back to you. Okay, so now that we are done with 10 of these fans, it twists like this. You can make nice wind chime or earrings like this using this design. But we don't want that. We are going to make a band out of this. So I'm going to pull this. Okay. this is how it looks after pulling. So it becomes straighter, not exactly straight, it becomes like curved, from the inside. So I'm going to pull it. Once this is pulled, I'll do this. You'll need more uh, fans like this for making different sizes of the skirt. But right now, just for example, I'm just showing you with 10 fans. So now I'll close this with a slip stitch. Okay, so where do we need to close it? This is where we will be closing it. In the first 5 chains which we made, we will be closing it with a slip stitch. Yeah. Okay, so it should look like this. Now after doing this, we need to pull this ball of yarn from inside, and we'll do the work over here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do some single crochet over here to make a foundation for the skirt. So the skirt will, you know it will look like this. From here the skirt will start, the main design of the skirt, the stitch pattern for the skirt will start. Now just for the example, I'm starting with chain 1, and we'll do single crochet in the top of the double crochet, in the post of the double crochet, and in the base of the double crochet, near the this big hole which we see. So we will be doing single crochet over there. I'm just, for example, I'm just doing one single crochet over here, and I'll do two single crochet over here. Then I'll do one single crochet over here, and I'll repeat the same thing. One single crochet, two single crochet in the next post of the double crochet, and in this gap I will do a single crochet. So I'll keep on repeating this till I finish the entire inside of these fans. Okay, once I'm done with this, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I have reached at the very end of this round, and I'll do a one single crochet in the last, which is actually the first chain 5 space over here. And then what I will do is I'll do in this first one, the first, I'll close this round by doing a single crochet, sorry, a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Okay, and then the rest of the pattern will be shown in the pattern itself, in the Ostara skirt pattern. So I just wanted to show you this band part, a portion of the skirt, and it should look like this. See how nice it looks. I think I'm going to make a bangle as well, bangle or something like that. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Have a nice day. Bye bye.